Start with question number 4. Here you can see question number 4, and this question is from DK Goyal book. We have a chapter 11 cash book. So the question number 4 we are having here. We have to pass the necessary entries in your single column cash book, and this year is 2016 we have, and it is of your December 1st. It is your December 1st, month of December. Cash in hand we have. So we have cash in hand means your opening balance. It is your opening balance. So here we will write your to balance, B A L A and C E balance, and it is what? Brought down balance, because the November, whatever the November last date, that balance we are copying here, and it is of what? 25,000. So we will increase the size of this because it is little small. So it is what now it will be okay. 25,000. Okay. Now cash sale, CGST 6, SGST 6%, and 40,000. By 40,000 cash sale we have. Now concentrate here. It is important entry here. Cash sale, that is we are going to get cash. मिल रहा है ना cash? How much cash we are going to get? How much cash? 40,000. Very good. So here we will write 2. It is what? 2 sales, that is of your sales account. It is your 40,000. Look on board now. 40,000 you are going to get, but with 40,000, 6% CGST you are going to collect and 6% SGST you are collecting. So both 6% is also coming. That means it is also come inside in your cash book. वो भी तो पैसा ले रहे हो आप. If you are going to take that money in the form of tax also, whenever you will pay that in future, it will be on payment side. But yet you are, that means right now you are going to collect it. If you are going to collect it, that means it should be recorded in your cash book. On what name? It should be here on the same date to your output what? Your CGST 6%. So 4 6 times equals to 24. So 2,400, and here your next entry to your output, that is of your output SGST 6%, that is also of your 24,000. So you have to record these two amounts also, because you are not simply going to take 40,000. You are going to accept your 44,800 rupees from that person to whom you are going to sell that goods. It is clear? Now next entry, that receive from X on behalf of Y. भाई पैसे रिसीव कर रहे हैं. मोहन मुझे पैसे देने वाला था, पर मोहन ने क्या किया? पैसे नहीं दिए. अब मोहन के पैसे उनके पिताजी दे रहे हैं, सोहन दे रहे हैं हमें. So we have to record. Yes, we will record it, and it will be of your how much date? Date is of your 4 December, and we will record it in the name of 2Y. So 2Y, how much amount is here? Very good, 4,000. That means our calculator is still live. Now paid to Sompal. Paid to Sompal will come this side. So it is December 9, and it is what? By SOM Sompal, PAL. Sompal, how much it is? Sompal is 49,000 only. 4,900. Very good, 4,900. Who is the calculator of this side? Why? Somebody else is telling in place of you. Now receiving from Vijay Kumar. Obviously receive will come this side. देखो receive इस side ही आएगा ना? Receive will come this side? Yes. Okay. So receiving from Vijay Kumar. So we will write to your VIJY, your KUMAR. Kumar. Vijay Kumar is of your 78,000. It is of your 7,800. Very good. Good. And discount we will not record. Okay. Now bought goods for cash, CGST and SGST is also given as 20,000. Obviously, if you are going to purchase the goods, it will be recorded in payment side. So here the date is what? 20. So on 20, it will be of your PURCHASE purchase account. How much purchase we have made here? 20,000. Who is calculator on this side? I want your voice. Nobody else will answer it. You have to answer only. Then here what? On the same date we have here, that is of your Y input, because we are paying here, that is of your input CGST 6%, and another one is also here, that is of your input your SGST, this is of 6%. So 2 6 times equals to how much? 6 to how much entry we have to make? Where is the entry? 20,000, 1200. So it will be of your 1200 we will pay here and 1200 we will pay here. It is clear? In our that CGST and tax, obviously collection is what? 24 and payment is what? 12 and 12. So still how much is left for payment? We have collected 2400 and 2400. Pichla chapter, last chapter, CGST and SGST. We have collected tax 24 and 24. And how much we have paid? 12 and 12. So how much is left to pay? 24 is left. Why? Because this 12 subtracted from this 12. So 12 is 24, 12 is left. And this 12 is subtracted from this collection. Still 12 is left. So both 12 makes 24. So 24 is to be paid. To whom it is to be paid? To government it is to be paid. It is clear? Direct. Now the next entry we have here. Your paid cartage. So here we have a paid cartage. So by you can write cartage. That is of your CARTAGE cartage account. It is how much amount is here? 1000. So it is 1000, and if we are paying cartage, it should be paid by CGST. So here we have your by input, INPUT input, your CGST 6%, and your by input INPUT SGST 6%. So it is to be your 160 will be coming, I think. 6% is of your 60 rupees, and this is also of your 60 rupees. Now we have remitted to Dharamveer. So remitted to Dharamveer का मतलब है we have given this amount to Dharamveer. So it is what? 23. Date is what? Dharamveer. So it is your by DHARAMVIR Dharamveer, and it is of your 1880 rupees. Now we have received money order from Mohan. Money order, MO is what? Money order. पैसे मिल रहे हैं तो कहाँ लिखना है? Receiving में लिखना है. So here we will have a date it is of 25 and to Mohan MOHAN. यहाँ money order मत लिख देना. मनी ऑर्डर से क्या मतलब है? मोहन हमारा डेटर है, that's why he is paying to us. It is clear? मनी ऑर्डर कुछ नहीं है. मनी ऑर्डर is the way to get the or receive the money. So it is Mohan. It is of your 500. It is clear? Then we have here borrow from Mahavir. So obviously we will write Mahavir से पैसे ले रहे हैं. तो पैसे तो हमारे पास ही आ रहे हैं. We are going to get the amount. So it is your to Mahavir. MAHAVIR Mahavir से how much we are going to take? 7500 slipper. Why are you not repeating the amount? Simply sitting. Receive from Bhushan. अब भूषण से पैसे मिल रहे हैं. So it is what? Date is 29 to your BHU SHAN Bhushan. We are going to get amount from Bhushan, that is of your 3900 and 3900. Now you have here paid to Lalit 2700 in full settlement of his account of 3000. So here we will write 31. That is why paid LALIT Lalit we have how much paid? 2700. So 2700 we have paid to him. Okay, now our calculator. This side. How much amount is here? Amount. Slow, very slow. That side you have calculated. This 33,000. So we will write it 33,000. Subtraction will be here. Now balance we will write here. Calculator this side. Oops.
19,000.
19? What is this? 40 plus 20, 65 is already here. 65. Now 65, 2 to 4, 69. 69 plus 4, 70. 73 plus 7, 80. 80 plus 7, 80. Sir, नीचे कर दो 90. Okay? 90 plus 99 और 99 में प्लस कर देंगे. सॉरी 90 तो यहाँ हुआ. इन दोनों को मिला के कितना हो गया? 91. और फिर ये 9 और ये 9 मिला करके 92 and 7. 92 7 में 3 मिला दिए 93. 1 is left. 95 and 5. नहीं 5 पहले मिला दिया. 95. How much it is now? Recalculate it. We will write it. Recalculate once again. We will see. It is what? 95 we have recorded. So 5 2 0 0 0 and 3 62. So still balance is wrong. 60500. Calculate it. So here we will have on the last rate, that is of your Y B A L A N C E balance carried down. The balance is going to be here, that is of your 60,500 we will get here. So 60,500, that is of your total will be your 60,500 5003 93,500. 93,500. Now here 93,000. Check it once again. 93,500. Stop.